Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your devil fruit level, stats, and loadout matter. Once verified, head directly to known dark matter spawn areas during night or boss windows. This increases spawn odds. Make sure to equip mobility and healing so you can position and survive. Damage mitigation lets you complete the sequence. Begin the engagement with a quick opener skill to stagger the target, then prepare the combo chain. This first action establishes control and creates the window to trigger the implosion. Once done with the opener, you must perform a tight, timed combo to create the implosion state. Start with a stagger skill, then immediately follow with 2 to 3 high-damage area attacks. This maximizes overlapping hitboxes. Make sure to insert micro-pauses of about 2 to 5/10 of a second to refresh hitstun windows and keep the enemy locked. Monitor the target's health percentage and behavior when it crosses the critical threshold under continuous hits. The dark matter implosion mechanic becomes available, allowing the final burst. You finish by delivering the designated finisher skill during the active implosion window to trigger the massive collapse. Time matters, so cast it while the enemy is locked. If your target breaks free or the window closes, disengage, reposition, and rebuild stagger pressure quickly. Teleporting or zoning them back helps. If the trick fails repeatedly, check latency and client performance. Reduce graphics, close background apps, or switch to a smaller party to avoid desync. That troubleshooting tip solves most timing and connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.